Welcome back to CuteKR YouTube channel. How are you guys doing? Today I brought this really cute spring and summer perfection of pantyhose from Oroblu. Ta-da! This Oroblu cute pantyhose. This is sponsored by the Tight Spot. Thank you very much for this lovely one. Before we get into review of this review of this pantyhose, please like this video and subscribe my channel if you haven't done yet. And also if you want to see exclusive and fun content of CuteKR, please check out my membership site. Links below, down there in description box. Well, let's get into that. So I haven't really tried it yet. It's just brand new. I just grabbed that out from the package and it's just literally new. Well, look at this. It's so cute. This floral and the color combination, which is white, yellow, orange, reminds me of spring Easter. So yeah, that's what this reminds me of, like a spring Easter. And it seems 20 denier. Let's see. Yes, it's tight 20 denier. What is it called? Embroidery. Sorry. Embroidery. That's a hard name. Embroidery. I guess. Embroidery. What the hell? And the cosmetic color, and as you guys know, the cosmetic is one of my favorite from Wolford, so I bet I love this cosmetic from Oroblu as well. So let's try that. Oh, and waistband is quite big. It's wide, this big. It must feel comfortable, and it has cotton gusset for hygiene. Perfect. Let's try that on. I hope this is size perfect fit on me. It's a medium size, so it should be good enough. Oh, so cute. Look at the patterns. I think it's been a while to try that fresh look pattern tights. You know, I love pattern ties, but it's definitely been a while for this fresh look. Oh my god! How lovely is it? Well, as I expect, the medium size fits me well, and it just the waistband is hanging around on my belly comfortably. Just feels good, yeah. And the waistband was quite big, so it's good. I feel good on my belly, like that. And on this shiny, sunny day, it's just perfect to go. I love this tights so much. How you like it? Please let me know in comment. It's apparently Oroblu's new arrival, so if you're interested to purchase this, you can go to the tightspot.com. See the bestseller or new arrival. Well, this, I can tell it's one of the cutest pattern floral tights I ever tried. So even soft, so even feeling and how they look, the size, overall, I really like that. Well, thank you for watching my video today, and thank you the Tight Spot for providing this lovely, very fresh new look pantyhose. I appreciate it because I really enjoy that. And once again, if you want to see more contents of me with wearing this tight, please check out my membership site. You will love it. I won't let you down. Right, see you again. Bye guys.